2-3 minutes earlier. Is the sound good? You have to tell me. I will answer the questions. Afterwards, what I have to present, I have a lot of things in front of me, we're going to have a good laugh. So, what I want to tell you. You who landed here. To co-create this desirable future, which makes us envy so much, at this moment, you see. When the shadow like that, darkened, precisely things, and the horizon, we need more than ever, to project ourselves into the future, and to co-create this desirable future. Hence, the theme of this live. And, to create that desirable future, we must clearly perceive, in the present already, where we are, and then, I'll tell you that, roughly stripped. In fact, if you want, where we are in childbirth, but childbirth, when the contractions become very limited, violent. Good morning, Karina, and the girls who gave birth, you have it will remind you of memories. And, at a given moment, there are contractions, and then at a given moment, there are the real contractions. It's really there, it starts to boil. Well, here it is, you see, the movements what we had last week, it's really the first real contractions. Now, if you have already given birth, that it's good. That's not the first real contraction. That you are going to be able to have the baby. And, this desirable future. So, well, there will be many other big contractions. And, it's often, when it's the first child, it can last a long time. So, the idea is, to keep it going. I often share a private message with you in the comments. That it's a war of attrition. So, you have to stay in time, and like a childbirth you see. In this final phase, of the diaper at some point, you know a natural childbirth, you think you are going to die. It is precisely, the moment, when, you let the past, hello Liddy, and, you let it pass, and you give life, to something new, to a beautiful baby. And afterwards, obviously, it's a huge happiness. But, there is this difficult phase. So, you can see the movements. Hi. Shanti, good morning, the sound is good. So, great. And so, you can see all its phases, that we are going to have all these steps all. And I love to from one city to another, this word like that. Fantastic, freedom, shared like that, really it is magic. So, we will see it more and more. But, we must see that, it is not at the first contraction, that we will see the baby. There will be several that will really bring us together. If you want, it is these different waves, these different steps, these different gatherings, these different movements, these contractions. In fact, to give birth to this desirable future, are going to be stronger and stronger. So, when you know I am a futurist. So, I see the future, in broad outline through data analysis, through my connection, through my intuition, through my synthetic mind. But, tell you, when exactly, but, I think we will have increasingly strong constraints throughout summer. And that the deliverance will arrive in the fall in any case. So, I could be wrong one, but certainly before Christmas. Which means what? What means what? I announced, which means a change in citizen, management, a change of institutions, in a change of civilization. Here, it is, and to co-create this desirable future. Well, already I want to share good news with you, and above all I want to share with you elements of my futurology routine. Because, as I am an expert of the future, it must be said naturally, a little in advance, and, you also certainly if you follow me. In the comments I also invite, it is completely interactive to share with me. Also, as and when, I will share lots in front of me tips of your routine, and then, if you like it, we will go much further, have regularly on this channel sharing our routines and our tips of the future, in the present, but, how to co-create the future. By working in the present, you see it is completely dynamic as a process. So, I use the language of the birds, continue to use it. Hi Martin. It's nice to lie, and we are more and more numerous, it is great. So, the language of the birds, what is it? Well, you see, we are going to say Cocoloco, we are going to say darts, we are going to say the macaroon, you see, we are going to say things like that. So, the macaroon compared to the different steps, I love it, divine humor. I find this helpful. Finally, they are so hungry up there, you see the button that spoke of walking. And finally, what will put him out these steps? So, I find it extraordinary. So, it will multiply. Hi La Rochelle, hello, Francois, but these walks, so I don't want too much. pronounce the name, because intuitively I think it's going to be historical. So, I'm trying to make you understand. His step says in 45 at the release. So, it's going to be called her daughter's step or pension, and that's how you understand? And, on the other hand, there will be retro-pedaling, which seeks to save time, and during this time playing darts, with as many people as possible. Thank you. Hello, Pierre de Belfort, it makes me happy that you are numerous. So, it's retro-pedaling. At the start, therefore, it was the backpedaling of the button before they were crushed. It will be the men of the button. Who are going to do? Before him, I think you have always known a game. They're not on the chain for a long time. It is Attila, you know he acquired, which makes him the buzz of different, from those who are in the presidency. In fact, and him I see him all the same leaving. They're now immediately, so those who are leaving it's great news. You have to watch your health, reports in any case, there, will also be in parallel with the United States your life. It has already, started the big phase, trial that like that, because, I have had my account, or advertisements at Chayev, cat advertising. Advertise all this with the language of the birds. So, it has been deactivated anyway, we have backup accounts. So, really language of the birds, if you see me, if you see the replay of this, live on Facebook, in short, there will be a monster, trial years. But I see a lot of release after surface of loops with more meaning, had and we will be able it will also be. Because, for co-created this desirable, future for get-together, in these marches to organize, we are going to call it boycotts, that's clearly what it's called. Well, we have to be able to communicate, and even, if there are other networks. Even if, a telegram is even there are many, other things that stay, when even very practical here and it will last after. So, it is that I will speak for example, of Amazon, also in this live. Here, we are on YouTube, everything has its advantages, and its disadvantages and, to believe that things are completely, binary. There is that the light and the shadow and bad, not the shadow serves the deployment of the light needs for, to radiate in order to be, magnified needs, also of its shaded parts. So, using things and tools within the light but accepting in a minority way, also their share of shadows here I think 100%, so for 80% of light it's great, then really zero worries. Even if, I understand that the period is anxiety provoking for many of you, zero worries, I say it, I repeat it over and over again on this channel, the future and desirable. It is just a tunnel, a delicate period to give birth to something wonderful, but actually like any huge transformation, what we experience is a much greater transformation than what we have experienced is 30 or 40 or 60 last years, even more. So, zero worries about the outcome, but let's accept like, in a childbirth. If you struggle with a contraction, you increase the pain. And, you exhaust yourself, and, you can't take it any longer and you end up badly, managed and more in control of her childbirth, there it is exactly the same. We are giving birth, of ourselves, in the process of giving birth, of a new society, of a new civilization, of new institutions. So, it is essential to remain in control, to understand oneself, that it will take a long time to accept the pain and accept it, to welcome it, and to distance itself from it. Therefore, there are more and more spontaneous movements, what I call these constructions. There is dice consumption, but, I invite you to make the dice consumption target is, therefore in the phases the products that make you pleasure. Because, otherwise, you will not be able to last, and you see in a childbirth in a stupid way. Often in the hospital you are told not to drink and not to eat, pretext. You know, for your safety given, the thing you have to drink you have to eat. Even, in secret when of childbirth, and the basis was therefore, to hold passive resistance. For me it is a huge key to success to also come together, on group actions of patience. And, especially, to understand that it will be played out. It will be won in extra time this fall. We won. We have already won. We are not yet the most numerous. But, we are the most determined. So, anyway it will be okay, and it will be okay. By taking care of yourself, that seems essential to me. It is why I now share with you elements of my routine to hold and win this war of attrition. And, the basis is to focus on yourself. If you want everything that happens outside, and, initially, reinforced by this, that also happens inside us. That, reveals our pot to us, entail our power. And, that we allow us to co-create what? I call this desirable future. And, in another thing, it is our new life. You see, then, you ask me a question. How to maintain your job? Then, really use the language of the birds. Thus, this word there we call that, the darts. So, well, quite simply, you save time. That's what I'm explaining to you. You always have the possibility of appeal. There will certainly be you see associations of the same in the company of microphones group the human resources department to different things. But me, if you want in this situation what I do, I save time. I have a toothache. I am pregnant game. I have an operation, such a benign operation of the prostate, gynecologist will undergo. I do it right after and take time. And obviously you avoid dawn and same. And you avoid leaving defeated. And, especially, you do not play darts. If you do not want to, or if you have something in you that says no to you. So, I want to continue on the course before answering the questions, and keep the questions for the end of May just in relation to that, in relation to darts. So, this is not at all funny, you know, me, I have a lot of times flashes. Do more I open this futurist ability, or more, day and last week, Jean Meyer, basically, it was like a bang. But, like a double nuclear blast, so, I don't think it's anything nuclear at all, but, I think at some point in this dark countdown, actually, they want to reach a quota. Because, at some point, they are going to light something. I can't tell you what. And, there, people will fall like flies. So, I can't say more, because, here it's purely 28 titles. I don't have much data on it, but, I have it clearly as a warning message that it was a species, race loss for them, but, to try to do as much damage as possible. It's not funny. Anyway, here, we are located. Here, so, if you have already played darts, we will play antidotes, we will look at that, and already I have a lot to share with you. But, let's be vigilant about what could be complementary to darts and extremely dangerous. Therefore, to follow, but, in short, to win, you see, it's like when we speak, to make an analogy with childbirth. But, it is as if before giving it arrives with the puncture of the epidural, which will slow down relaxation, which will cause the baby to put himself in the cord and strangle, etc., you see. So, let's stay in control. In control even of the pain of these contractions. Let's accept to leave the past behind. That, before giving, any woman who gave birth without an epidural will tell you she believed she was going to die. It doesn't last long and is in fact dying to herself giving birth. In giving life to 7 children. So, that's a little bit what we have to live, and, therefore, when you have this phase, their comfort is essential. The comfort of a bath, the comfort of a massage, the psychological comfort of the help and support. So, here it is like we are in the process of giving birth, we need comfort. So, not to make the X too slow, and be able to answer questions. So, I will address 2 topics in this routine of futurology to share with you my tools of the future which allow to take care of yourself. And, when you take care of yourself, but, you are better, you will better tame this time. That you focus on yourself, it will allow you to recharge your batteries, and suddenly, you will be able to do better, also take care of your loved ones. And, today it is essential, you cannot help others, if you test 90. I took notes. Because, I have a lot of things to share with you. And, above all, I tell you, here people are starting to drop like flies. Whatsoever, for cause of illness. Or, that it is downright more serious. You see, cardiac arrest that spontaneously reacted here and there, but the idea is to hold. Here, you want to help people, but already you have to be super good. So, you know my story, water. Besides, I'm going to drink. I made a lot of videos on it. I think I have to think well. It's drinking water. So, if you haven't seen it, if you discover me here on the channel, there are 2 videos on drinking water. Now, I have drinking water. It is the future of drinking water that comes from the air. Ambient is, in fact, you still need a certain humidity in the air. It is completely filtered in reverse osmosis, etc., and it makes delicious water is completely safe. Because, at the level of drinking water, with all that is, even if you filter the tap water, it still remains a vulnerable point. You see, today, I will also talk about nutrition. We can eat little, but on the other hand, water, it stays when even it is essential. So, look at the info I share on drinking water, on atmospheric condensers. If you order the atmospheric condenser warnings, it is 110 volts. So, to avoid any mishap, direct control of the transformer. Everything is on the video, the last video of this weekend on the channel. Now, I'm going to go much more further. So, I present my copper pitcher to you because, obviously the water you are not going to put in plastic bottles. And, in fact it is very interesting for your immune system. To have a number like that in leather, it is aloe vera. So, this one is called Veda. But, you must be able to find it almost everywhere and find out if you do not know rather than take a picture. Any really takes this type of tool. Then, what I don't have any there, so, where I am, I have no maritime pines. So, I have essential oil of pine needles, you know that, at the moment, it is useful compared to the proteins of eggs. So, I did not tell the real world, but, from Skype. But, you understand that it is not quite that word. So, I add in my herbal teas in my copper pitcher with water, a little essential oil, a few drops scents of pine needles. Here, and especially, so, me you know, I am a good Epicurean. I like a lot of good things, all that is fatty and sweet, but, there I made one with everything that is happening. I understood that my health was my priority, so, I reintroduced what I had already done several times, but there every morning I make a set of organic carrots, I add fresh turmeric so you can make other vegetables, and me you know I am a very active life, and the advantages of carrot juice is that you stock. I have 4 kilograms of carrots delivered to me bio for the week. I put it in the fridge and there it is, and every morning month and the children it was a big game of organic turmeric carrots. We are mineralized and fed. I grow sprouted seeds with organic lentils. There also this feeds very well. I buy organic eggs. Here is for those who are in my private sharing, you know it, I eat a little meat. But, I choose it in a precise way. I bless the animal, so I eat a little organic deer meat, not all the time, but, from time to time, once or twice a month is also, I add it every day. Whatever, for me or my children, in fact, in particular my child who, teenager of vitamins, and at the moment, I therefore recommend it to you, essential vitamins of vitamin C compared to what you know about vitamin C. Usually, over 2 months, it's been 2 to 3 years. Since, over 2 months, I'm at 3 grams. So, I believe that there it starts to become dangerous. Vitamin C from 4 kilograms, you can go there, the subject where you know your limit in C compared to small intestinal disturbances. So, here it is. I tried 4 grams. For me it's 2-3 grams. It may work for you, it's 2 grams tried, but anyway, in antioxidants, for I did not say to age well, to flourish well, by moving forward in age. Vitamin C, it is the base site in full growth, it is the base. Vitamin D, vitamin D is essential, especially for us women. Vitamin D3 for our female hormones, vitamin E for the skin, the hair, obviously, in the good immune system with zinc, magnesium, calcium, and for wrinkles, ladies and gentlemen, essential things. Vitamin K2, and I also take, I also work in the wine side. So, had to reserve atolls, which is one of the products that you have in red wine. But, there too, hello, Mireille, it's nice, I share maritime. So, there you have it, I added reserve and hull. So, but, I commented that these are there, they will replay what you also take in vitamins. And, of course, I present to you all ages, you understand. Everyone can link any classic buzz to get you lots of east and west messages. And the algae to the rhythm. So, you know what it is. So, I don't know if you see it is a famous winter, you know winter, as for the misunderstood. And that makes team language of the birds. So, I order them and without prescription on a German online pharmacy. I will be able to put you the link below. I think that the link can skip 1 gram. Pages are not found all the time. So, I could order very easily. I could be delivered very easily. So, it's the pharmacy, I would put it. So, you type the name, you type without prescription studies, at little pharmacy, or enough, to the real one. Name is not the language of the birds. Here, and you can find it like that. Otherwise, you know now there are more doctors who are open-minded, who can also make a prescription. So, I take a pill a week in preventive. And there, I really want to share the effects. So, there I agreed to play the guinea pig. So, I have always had a lot of allergy, type fever, or all that cat hair allergy. Even, if I have a cat and even you, see there, I have sometimes in the sea air. Or all ages as often, they're unrecognized or a violence of being reties, and, it is true. That, for a year and a half it was a bit. But, I really recommend you if you don't know and if you can find it on, all these algae okay with you that I'm talking, thyroid because, there are many of us, to have had problems but already costs 200, top, then, there I will speak when I will talk about thyroid I will talk, maybe I'll do something about, women, and you know women in particular and things so, I cannot be too detailed there, above, because, otherwise, to lose these, gentlemen we will have to talk about cream, with progesterone, it really has to do with the balance, hormonal compared to if you want to be, fertile long etc., if you want to manage perimenopause well or, things like that here it really is, this is the doctor's work docs, Leah yes so if you just sneeze, I have a lot and that really is winter, for the misunderstood for I answer the, questions otherwise I will not you, come out, so, here, I will do on the thyroid end, the hormonal balance we will have to talk, organic progesterone cream, identical if you can't wait for that you. Organic progesterone cream tapes, identical work of Dr. Lee on the internet, and on YouTube, you will have lots of information whatsoever, to manage menopause or to manage fertility but, it's a thing of the future I think that women in the future, will not be the same thanks to stuff like that, well then it must be said, the screw's too sad meaning, without chocolate and 120 so, I first, a little wine from time to time I go, choose organic wine and I will eat chocolate quite regularly but, I will take it at 70% and suddenly it will, you see 2 squares of chocolate that you makes, good dessert it, limits sugar and, it's nice, here and then so, you see I am very, reasonable the week we put suddenly, cracking authorized on weekends I tell you, the base and the weekend I can do, restaurant I can make pizza I can make, coffee ice cream if you need a male base, of the base, it is 80%, I'm good 20% I'm bad that's a good routine, if you do a good routine 100% moment given moment, you're going to crack and you're going to go back. And you're going to go back. So, to hold in time hold that 80%, I'm good 20%, I'm bad, it's the right routine. And, then if you like it before, moving on to questions. I want to share you also in relation to the desirable future. And, well, in the love of oneself. There is also the self-image, there is also beauty, and beauty it is very related to the care that one brings to oneself. Even, you know oneself the love that one carries is oneself, and, for me you see in the exponential development what one calls skincare or chiro or makeup whether it is also for men to today, in the in chiro where skincare drops is very important to talk about it. Because, it is really future. And, especially, in a period like the one we saw during the other lockdowns, we have all progressed on our boots. So I think as a futurologist be a little ahead on my time and you know I can identify the music that will be fashionable, the film that will work, their breaks that will be at the right but, obviously, also in the war skiing and in the cellar no makeup here, but really so here I'm going to share some tips and always okay and then we move on to the questions. So where do I get these tips from? Obviously from YouTube. I'm a big fan and then. Now in addition when you can't say that we are friends we exchange we private message. So I recommend you Sonia Seiler I will also put in description she is great and I owe him a lot of my nugget. But Sonia will do you see routines. Like it's very long. And then maybe I will lengthen the routines in the future but now I want to be synthetic of which it is really nuggets that I want to share this with you. Walk for men and for women and for me it's the future so. It's stuff it's going to be. Blockbusters so first big thing. Also Sonia Seiler she is the one who has it for me. Makes discover it's Neogene it is a lotion does not change taxes you see. I started with this good man blow. Start the routine leave that so I will. Put the link, then it is a link. Amazon you can also find it elsewhere. But listen I'm telling you we're on YouTube. Maybe you see me on Facebook. Let's take the right things and turning the bad things of these networks there, so I recommend you It makes you from the first application. This thin baby skin and on teenagers also. This extraordinary. Finally, hair. If you do nothing in beauty routine. To take care of yourself is within reach of love is there. It is love juice, you see, the shit it is a trick of false. Onions by the best than me too, explain to you how it works, and then have a super thing, you know often, buy super expensive anti-aging creams and the race me under the eyes. Super expensive and everything is actually. I do not know if you know this range and ordinary where it is that the essential products. Where they came back to the components and. In fact, we talked a lot we put in the anti-aging creams, and wear a lot of retinol and better than. Retinol because retinol you cannot go to the sun where it can make you tasks where it can make you irritations and, in fact, I found that, then I do not know if I pronounce well the niacinamide, but it is much better than retinol. It is just as effective, but you do not have all these risks of tasks or irritations and you can even go to the sun and well, as for the ports a little dilate the small fine lines. And we did not report the same a little under the eyes. I also put you start calling a little slow motion like I buy it on the ordinary or Amazon leaves me a little time after the live. We'll put back the links of his so it a nugget. Sonia also had talked about it but has plenty on YouTube small part of. Watching a YouTube video of Sonia, his lips have two futures and this via mail. So, if you want to look, completely Robocop of the future I will, being makes a helmet that, knows for, hair me it is out. Of the question in, taking, advancing age to cut. My hair, well I tend to lose some they have. Tend to be less dense therefore then, what help, also find out about helmets. Hair aid for men, for women, then it's very funny it relaxes that. Takes 15 minutes I do it 3-4 times a week and I see, really the difference on my hair. And I think it's the future too. Hi warm wind thank you for joining us. So there you have it, you see. In the trends of the future of things. Which will develop, and if you don't know them maybe you already know them one in which case say so. Me if you have others to share with us. But the comment because I think we are all called to become futurist here to call on our intuitions identified like that what will work what will develop is. In any case I would like you, on the channel. No Sonia I don't want to use the word, society you see that he is there. Youth promotion, or if you have. After a certain age you are more interesting, or, whatever and. Do you see Sonia Seiler talk about the project, and, other brands that starts talking about the project but, even pro age, you see I don't find it good and me when I hear the word grow old you. See in relation to the future me I am at. Departure in, came so the more, you wait for a bottle of wine or, more than one vine and age too. The more she gave the, more too. Complex at most it is delicious and. So rather than the word grow old I want. Use the, word flourish and in English. If you want this word to blossom it's the word blowing I love you see it is a flower like that which blooms and which must in its flowering bloom the most long possible and that's really what that I want to share because for me it's also a personal quest in as a futurist and that's where I found for myself in May month on the benefit of being a futurist a power. Have it like that in 3 clicks? While I am not a specialist, Sonia is much more specialist than I have to send it, that's it. Rock because maybe it's one of its new nuggets in any case in this blooming if you are interested I want to share, so I will share to the public but above all I will go very far in private because there is a whole lot of stuff I am adding what I want. Not say in private you see I don't want talk about them. In short it will be private compared to more intimate stuff, we will say that. I would have to share in any case if that you are interested in memory, #future of blooming like that I'm going to do at the both of course free and especially prepare private shares in This meaning we will move on to questions. Be reassured while everything is there. What are we going to say that in the dip? So I don't know that way, but anyway. I still see one of the abandoned soldiers intervene or frames and stuff, but let's see. But, if you want, it's a bit like when the doctor is telling you, there you have it, madam. Given birth, don't he who slept who understands, even if he has the impression that it is he who did it, it is he who take the fees, so it's really the people who are giving birth. So, during this time as a member of the People's Club, taking care of us with love with these little things that I shared with you, doesn't do everything that I say. You already have your routine. Take one or two adapted things, and if you find even better things, second canary. But if you have to remember a thing from the future, ouch of Steeple Watron. And then there is a serum, so there, as I work a lot at the intuition is there. I caught it at intuition, is at Zelic topic at the acid, and then this is the trick, more amazing. Then it's for my skin, and Sonia Seiler will also tell you every time, has adapted to everyone's skin. So, I have thin blonde skin, sensitive, irritable, so I do beware of acids, but that's a killing you don't wake up with the same one skin in the morning and evening, and the same it costs, not very expensive. I caught compared to reviews on simply Amazon, so there you go. And I just have two more, I reassure you, but it's nuggets absolute if you don't even know, and then you know hyaluronic acid is great. It's the future is actually more and more you realize that by compared to traditional brands that we have in France, where as seen in United States Japanese brands, it is the Korean brands that are awesome, and that's a thing is called to back the mouth cross. Yeah, too. Al Adhalabo, sorry, is the same. All world is talking about Sonia Seiler. We are talking also, so there's the size formula. Do not formulate simple blueprints, and a formula, a little enriched, and if you don't know for hydration, you put that with a little one deposit, just that it cannot be expensive. Everything, and it's great you find it on a place there is Amazon style, and there it is. The version that I put in front of me, that everything is silent. Dingo, so there is no point in buying creams at 40 euros. I do not know what here. My little nuggets. Take care of oneself, men, women too. Any age, and so I want to share you just as well. Before going on, questions. So there, it is Sonia who did it to me. Find out, killer it really feels. Futuristic, makes fun is. LED lights, therefore, anti-wrinkle. Top button, that's really got, so I will put the link to you also. It's called Genuous Light Program in full. Because, in the meantime, he before it exits. Sonia Lampard from another Elon have plenty. You put your little serum, you put that, will be more interactive, for questions. Then you can ask yourself questions. In fact, I'm looking. Tell me. No question, well then Latin. Futurist therefore, and when the macaroon will be crushed, me what I perceive it is who will first do a you flip-flop, like that, as if had a promotion. And then after, then yes, then. Actually it is used to refocus. Professionally also is shared. But if you want, I am much more powerful to help you feel yourself very professionally at the rendezvous. 1-to-1. We will also put the link because I am very active in what I call the new economy. I master a lot of, as you see. They're at the level of creams or algae or machine for drinking water or for the hair. I also master in the business many trends related to new economy, which are both tools related to life, missions, and tools related to new technologies. And so, if you have a project, I can perceive the future of this project and suddenly save you a lot of time on the way in the different shameful stages, sharing tools by sharing elements of my network. So, yes, Coraline Sweet, go. Talk about winter for the misunderstood. Just, after but, just to answer. In professionally sharing. Private can help because, if you are in a professional change, your first ecological resource. By your professional change, it's you. So, if you refocus and rest your sky is you in the present a star pass. And you have tools yourself for. Predict, foresee your future. How are you? Help you professionally now. If you are going to go further, by being very precise in this professional change, make an appointment with me in 45 minutes. I make you an action plan. Better than them. Any guidance counselor. Yeah, there if I can afford. And, if you need more, we can plan a follow-up also then for Salah. You see, I have it in my hands. So, you also look at him, but in close-up Auntie, the credits to hers. You see your name and the credits. I'm not saying it on purpose, it's funny. I love it like that, it's the best. Language of the birds, the image, so listen. Me, preventive, I find it great. But, I am an adult, I had a tendency to have misunderstood her, to have strong ones. Sneezing, but these two families. Also, an effort sneezing, and I think that with all that is in the air by compared to people who play arts, I think that, in preventive, you see that. Clean because maybe we don't know. Not one maybe, but these proteins. Skype, it's not the right one, you understood some. Maybe we end up stuck with one everywhere, and so suddenly it allows to do a little cleaning of that. So I am at one a week there. Weeks I have because after that comes back a little sometimes, but sneezing, I try to space out 10 days to see, and I made a stock of 200 hide so you can pass squarely. A big order. Then I will put the direct link, but you know I can't do the live there. Money that pays on something else, so I cannot do the live and description. At the same time, I will put the link to you to German online pharmacy. But the problem is that you see, times I find the link, sometimes there is not, and then if there are too many to go there, maybe they can stop. But I tell you otherwise, doctors may very well make you a prescription for that. You say at the start, it was for the parasites in the eyes. So you can see this and this very well. That there are other questions. What I can't do too long either, but already you see we have seen a lot of things, and especially at vitamin level increases salt. Compared to if you took in cash. And say there are other questions. Yes, then the climate of which you do not worry. In terms of the climate that is precisely in my private share, once you reaching the end was never again worried about the climate, so it's completely organized. So I will say that with the language of birds. So you know, to prevent people from rebel. Yeah, it also works for the winds, but it works for a lot of things. If I tell you about them, then I was talking about the climate is how it pops up to this. That this moment on the winter of the guy you see, the bird agrees, in my opinion, that is going to be a drug of the future that will serve that there is a much wider field of action. That what we can imagine effects on me. I'm experimenting. But it's almost a detox, so drugs of the future on that. And therefore for the climate they made a lot of spreading in the atmosphere. And especially around big cities and everything, so you see on the zones. Germany, Belgium, finally always the same. This is where there was also the most 2 clusters in quotes, and therefore these spills, you know, how is it that we do? I know it because that you can even do research at United States at the time who wanted to do rain on some crops and not on others. In fact, they put some particles. I cross money. Finally, I am not a scientist at this level, but particles in the air, which did that before singing. It was small ice particles in the Cloud and it made a cloud of. Unnatural way is brought to live. All the spreading that has had that explains that the bouts of rain and current climatic disturbances, but it's not climate change. Natural CD. Local embezzlement and, unfortunately, direct, and that's okay too, it's coy and. So I don't have it all in one. Warming up there, I had done. For a long time that I talk about it and that I have. Do my research, and once you are in my share warned that you have. Given the bonus, you understand it very clearly, was more worried. This level, what is important is to collect plastics. You see, I love all mesahel. Progress in plastic for me, I have. Recycled trash, I take great care. Recycling is there every day. Children pick up a plastic bag. Large garbage bags, 200 liters of plastic, so that the more market effect. In addition, and it's all parents do that, it's awesome. So, and you want if we go to bring the big bag of 100 liters of plastic per day, so it gives them a huge walk, and then in addition it gives the example of the VAR. Children who do that, it gives example to everyone. There are people who spontaneously help them. They are not entitled to screens, so for be entitled to screens and must do their plastic bag, and if you want, pick up plastics and correct completely our packaging, and there it is. A huge site undergoing reconversion. Professional, there is a huge construction site. On this, it is the future is therein. A few years we can all do it. Arrive and we can clean everything, here. Did I answer correctly? Is that there are other questions? We are going, it will be 45 minutes, you see. After that, it's been a long time on the replays, so clearly was more worried. This level, what is important is to collect plastics. You see, I ove alt mesahel. Progress in plastic for me, I have. Recycled trash, I take great care. Recycling is there every day. Children pick up a plastic bag. Large garbage bags, 200 liters of plastic, so that the more market effect. In addition, and it's all parents do that, it's awesome. So, and you want if we go to bring the big bag of 100 liters of plastic per day, so it gives them a huge walk, and then in addition it gives the example of the VAR. Children who do that, it gives example to everyone. There are people who spontaneously help them. They are not entitled to screens, so for be entitled to screens and must do their plastic bag, and, if you want, pick up plastics and correct completely our packaging, and there it is. A huge site undergoing reconversion. Professional, there is a huge construction site. On this, it is the future is therein. A few years we can all do it. Arrive and we can clean everything here. Did I answer correctly? Is that there are other questions? We are going, it will be 45 minutes, you see. After that, it's been a long time on the replays, so we will stay there next the value. I have to take a break, and I go take a break at the top. You don't know what it does, a lot too. For me, and I have to take care of myself. Even and my relatives, also. So like, comment, safety tips, this soil. Where, Timothy, products of the future. The summer tube, you know, I told you I know the summer hits like that. So of course you danced again at M&A. Also freedom, I can not put you there. Music there, but here is it is. Clearly, the hit of the summer that makes us smile. Take care of all of you. Everyone you know is Audrey Bank at 10 years to help, the other one already needs one. Sail for me like in planes, you know the mask yourself, and afterwards I don't like the masses, allows one hand for the other. So, we'll implement personal routine. Take to the greatest care of you which these contractions, and be sure that the deliverance is near to a magnificent baby who is a desirable future. A choice is there for all of us, a very fast. Bye. Thank you for poultry that you're comments, and your sharing it helps. Ciao.
Voilà, c'est clairement le tube de l'été, ça nous fait sourire. Donc prenez soin de vous tous, de chacun. Tu sais, c'est Audrey Hepburn qui a dit ça. Pour aider l'autre, bah, il faut déjà une main pour moi. Comme dans les avions, tu sais, le masque toi, et après, j'aime pas les masques, hein, mais une main pour l'autre. Donc implémente ta routine personnelle, prends le plus grand soin de toi dans ces contractions et sois sûr que la délivrance est proche vers un magnifique bébé qui est un futur désirable à choyer pour nous tous. À très vite, bye bye. Merci pour vos likes et vos commentaires et vos partages, ça aide. Ciao.